So HubSpot just made this better, and it's live in your account right now. So on this record, you can see there are a whole lot of files that have been attached. So if we click View All Attachments, it's going to be a lot easier to find what you're looking for, because now we can search by file type, and maybe I'm looking for all the images that have ever been attached. Well, a lot of those come over from email automatically, and they're actually kind of annoying. So guess what? Boom, we're going to get rid of all 103 of those. They're gone. And then I can come back here and look at, just show me my documents that are attached, and then show me those that came from emails. Maybe that's how they were originally attached. So I can simply do that, sort, filter the whole thing, and it'll show me exactly what I'm looking for right there. So now those are all the emails that came over with attachments.